When volunteers are archived, their information remains accessible on your site. Go to the Volunteers page of your organizer dashboard and scroll to the bottom. You will see a link for See Archived Volunteers. This provides you with a list of users who are currently archived for your organization. From here, you can access all of their information or go to the Permissions tab to restore their account back to active status. You can also select multiple volunteers and then use the Choose an Action box to restore multiple accounts at once. From the volunteer's perspective, if an archived volunteer attempts to log into their account before it is restored, they will see a message that they are currently archived. However, they will still have access to the hour log to submit time. If your organization has new user approval enabled, an archived volunteer will be moved to the list of pending users if they log an hour. From the Overview page of your organizer dashboard, you will see this volunteer on the Approve Users tab. This is where you would restore them back to active status. If your organization has new user approval disabled, an archived volunteer will be restored automatically if they log an hour. Archive volunteers can easily be restored in the future, so you never need to worry about losing historical data for users.